So, good afternoon, sir. I am Rosa, and I will be your physical therapist for today. May I know po your name?
Lance po.
Okay, Sir Lance. So, this procedure, sir, itetest lang po natin kung meron kayong muscle weakness sa inyong back, which is yung nag-extend ng ating back. So, sir, this procedure also will include physical contact. Makahawakan po kayo sa ibang parts ng magpapalpate po ako ng inyong muscles. So, okay lang po ba yun, sir?
Okay lang po.
Sir, sige, dapa na po tayo, sir. And ang kailangan ko pong gusto, sir, is yung nipple no, nasa dulo po ng ating bed. Yan, sir. Bali, sir, yung kamay po natin sa ulo and then pa-flex lang po ako nito. Yan, sir. Yan. Sir, hawakan ko lang kayo, sir, ha?
Okay lang.
Sir, bali, ang pagka-go ko po, 1, 2, 3, go, ililift niyo po yung inyong ulo, pati yung shoulders, and then, parallel lang po sa inyong katawan. Ready na, sir?
Ready na.
Okay, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, sir, slowly. Yan. So, sir, okay na. Bali, magmuna po kayo ulit. Bali, so sir, upon checking naman, palpating, all normal na po, naman po, grade 5. Bali, wala naman pong muscle weakness sa ating back. So, ayun naman sir, kung may questions kayo, and feel free to ask me, and then i-update na lang po namin kayo for the next session. So, salamat.